Back here on Fiona, all of our brake hardware is now assembled and on. Wick got the springs. Looking good. That was a fun time this morning, Wick. You and I wrestling the springs on.
Oh, yeah. Well, we got down now. We could do 10 more in half hour.
Yeah, we got a system. So we're going to put the drums on, get this all ready to rock. Looking good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Happy, happy. All right, all of our drums are on. We had to actually make a couple washers because there's supposed to be washers in here. And of course, the car didn't come with them because this car didn't come with a lot of stuff. So everything's on, pinned, tight, ready to rock. I'm working on adjusting. I've already adjusted this one. And what I'm doing is I'm running each shoe out. And you can actually see the shoes in here. And I run them out until they just make a little contact and just start to drag. Then I back it off of here. Like that one's.
It's like tightening up those strips and backing off a half car.
Yeah, yeah. Well, remember, cross thread's better than no thread.
That's true.
Sometimes it stays better.
Yeah, that's true. Just like you got it after a minute, then we're good.
Oh, yeah.
That's how those guys at Jiffy Lube figure it.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're never going to be back again.
Yeah.
I figure they're never coming back to the same one.
Just send it with the impact.
Yeah.
So we're getting into taking apart the rest of Fiona's engine bay and cleaning and detailing and all that jazz. So I pulled the horns and the horn bracket out. Also have the actual horn relay, or what's left of it. And we got some wiring mess to go through. There's an electric fuel pump that needs to go bye-bye. And just general electrical cleanup and maybe some cleaning and some spritzing with some chassis black. Our steering box we're gonna leave in here, but we will clean it and then we're gonna paint the steering arm so it's nice. We're gonna paint all the new tie rods and everything, get them all nice. But coming along. Look, something that's new.
A little horn test.
I now present you Wick playing with horns.
That one works.
That one's good. I'm gonna go get the other one.
Yeah, so I don't want to touch these two together because it'll make a different kind of horn noise.
It'll make a Wick getting fried noise.
Yeah.
Oh,
Since I'm connected directly to the battery.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, this one, all right, so that must be the ground. We just ground to the case somewhere.
That's very European.
Yeah, they're tuned. I don't know if they're supposed to be, but...
That one sounds very Euro.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Hey, that was kind of fun.
That was fun. You know, I could take it apart and see what's... I imagine there's just a diaphragm and some other shit in there, but maybe I shouldn't really take it apart.
They work. Let's not fuck with it.
Yeah, I'll just blast them up on the outside.
Clean them gently.
Probably put something in there because that appears to be go right into the inside
Throw a bolt in there.
workings of the brains of it. Yeah.
Blast them, and we'll paint them pretty.
Yeah.
Or we'll see what they look like. Blast them. We might clear them.
Just clear them. They might be better blasted. Like that one looks like it's gonna look pretty good.
I like that. All
So
right.
you find a bolt that fits there.
Oh, I got one right here.
It's a 1032, 10. I mean, that's
Come on now, Wick.
24,
Shit's metric.
26. Oh yeah, sure. Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah.
That looks like the bolt that actually came out of it.
That is the bolt that came out of there, Wick.
How about that?
I keep track of that shit.
That fits in there perfect.
Hey, look.
You know what's funny is that one.
Oh, because it's studded and they mount like this.
So the long one sticks out, I assume, right?
Yeah. So it goes through here. One's here and one's here.
All right, so you got a blasted bracket.
And they're
too.
paired together.
I'm gonna blast the horns individually so I don't get sand down in there.
Put some shit down there.
Yeah, put some shit in there.
And you got some other misc bullshit here.
All
right. Wick's got the misc bullshit.
Actually, probably since that's all he has, maybe I should pull the trigger on this order.
For somebody else.
There's something else though. Is all of this intact in the car? Because there's like a spring that looks like it's probably some kind of.
That is a whole chingaderas. That chingaderas is right here.
Should still be in there, right?
That's this mountain of happy horse shit.
Oh.
There's no spring in here to speak of.
Hmm.
And then this has nothing.
Yeah, so that's.
And then this seal is fucked, but we have to pull a column to do the seal. And if we pull a column, then we might as well clean it and go through it.
Yeah.
It's one of those.
Well, a column wouldn't be too hard to pull because I think we just got to pull that bolt and it probably goes that way, don't you think?
No, it comes out as one. I looked at
with the steering box and everything?
Yeah. It's all one piece.
That's convenient.
Yeah. You take the steering wheel off and then.
Yeah, so we're not doing that.
Yeah. Wick.
Figure out another way.
Wick. Fuck that.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Yeah, no. That's too much like work.
Yeah. It's something I see. It's like a solid round piece.
I wonder if we heat it up, like it'll unsolder itself type of deal. But then it's on the thing anyway.
Yeah.
Wick and I are discussing the ground.
Yeah.
I have
the one way, the one time in your life ground.
the lifetime ground. That's high dollar. Just terrifying. That's cute.
Mm-hmm.
So I got all the wiring under hood labeled, organized. That's all ready to go. I'm gonna go under the dash and start chasing effed up stuff. And then, what are we doing after that? We're gonna, eating lunch. Yeah, lunch is.
Where's the hammer? You got the hammer over here somewhere?
I haven't seen the hammer in a while. Since early this morning.
Oh,
Yeah, we say early this morning, because like.
yeah. We started out with the hammer today.
Yeah. Then we're gonna pull the pitman arm off too here in a little while.
Yeah, I think the thing to do is just probably mark here and here because by the time we blast it, unless we put a good etch mark in it, we're gonna lose the mark anyway.
I'm assuming it's one-way spline.
Do you think it is?
I think you're getting it, Wick.
Am I, or am I just pushing the insulation back?
I don't know, but you know what? You look like you're having fun. So.
Blast.
Oh yeah, you ain't doing shit.
I'm not.
Nope. Sorry.
Yeah, it's kind of what I was feeling like.
I'm also gonna get on this heater core hot mess.
Yeah, the wire underneath there.
Oh, that thing looks like dog shit.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah, it does kind of, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can put a drill up in there. I mean, we could, if we really were crazy, we could solder a new ground cable in there.
Heat it up with a torch, jam solder in there,
Yeah.
and then stick it in. I think that's what we'll do.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, let's do it that way.
Okay, that's what we're doing then. By golly, I'm going to drill out the old then.
All right, that sounds good. I'm gonna get Miss Liberty's buddy out of here.